Crazy Dragon's brother. I know I was talking to you later about Sonic Dash, but right now we are gonna play Toca Kitchen 2. So, yeah. Yeah, let's start. So we're here and let's start. So I guess we'll go for this guy. Okay. So we're gonna start with something all of them like, and pretty sure fish. No, and then pull up here and start to boil. Now let's make it salty. Now we're gonna go ahead and the bread in the oven for a bit. Sorry, it's getting dim, but I'll connect the charger. Don't worry about that, guys. That's just for Damien's music, but let's cook some bread. Now we got some delicious bread. And we got some fish and bread. Well, let's cut this. So there's some bread for him, and I'm just gonna give him the whole fish. So let's give him bread, some more bread, now it's time for his fish. Well, now let's give him a smoothie, but if you guys want to know a secret to making him, pass out, then you're going to need to grab this tentacle and a fish. That's what my brother told me. And then put it to the blender. And blend it. So then you're gonna have to add all this stuff, like 2 squirts, or 1. And then you give him the drink, and then see, he fainted. But let's give him the rest of it. I don't have it anymore. No, I don't have it anymore. I said I don't How is that I don't have any more? Well, guys, well, let's make him a meal fit for a king. Let's give him that. And, let's give him some veggies. More veggies, and then, go to the boiler and, hurry up and take it out. Oh no, fine. And steam up the steak. Okay. Now that everything's cooked, we're gonna go back. And then just cut his broccoli in two. So,
try one of them on.
then let's bring these back. Now, let's give him this. There we go. Now we're gonna cut the broccoli. Now it's time. There we go. Wait. Something they all like. No. I guess I can just keep that there for a bit. He also likes watermelons. No. You have to go there. Then bring it over here and blend it up. Now let's blend it some more so we can have some more juice. Now he will have a watermelon smoothie, but he knows he likes it, so let's give him some veggies. Let's make this a little more saltier. Good 2 squirts of ketchup.
I'm just asking you are you sitting in the video? Where is it?
Then you can give him more vegetables. Then you can give him some more steak. Wash it down with a watermelon smoothie. And let's give you.
Who's there? Just another one of those pesky kids. You may as well leave and don't even think about buying this castle. It's not for sale. I can't believe this. Our eyes deceiving me. It just can't be. Nice and sharp.
He's not gonna like it.
I never fall for such a cheap trick. I knew it was a house. I don't fool you.
Well, I'm not really for sure how long this was, but, I'm pretty sure, oh yeah, it's 10 minutes, and I'm pretty sure it's 20 now. So now, well, thanks guys for watching from Crazy Dragon's brother, but this will be sent to his YouTube channel too, so see you guys, and have fun and enjoy the rest of your day. See you guys.